Hello, once again, welcome back to this channel. Good morning to all of you. Hope you all are safe in home and you all are doing well. So today I will inform you a job openings from Russia. In previous videos, I am getting many comments to make video for Russian job openings. So today is the opportunity. So if you want to move Russia with a job, then this is a good opportunity. Please watch this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply and how to process to move Russia with a job. So this is a multiple vacancies in Russia visa with job. So of course if you will go to Russia with your work permit, then it will be safe and good for you. So registration is for work 1 year. That means the contract will be 1 year. Work categories: construction labor, factory helper, hotel staff, driver. This is the four type of job profile which is current openings from Russia. And if you want to move, then you can apply as soon as possible. The salary will be 30,000 to 45,000 in Indian currency. Of course, you may think that this is a low salary, but the salary will be increased automatically, and you can get a good opportunity to move Russia. So accommodation and transportation, medical, etc. will be provided by the company, and food depend on the company. That means fooding they can provide you in with the salary, or they can provide you in the different amount. So documents will be requirement: passport, photo, and CV. And process time will be 15 days. Service charge will be 2.5 lakhs. That means the company already mentioned what will be the processing charges.